Hey all, in this video I'm going to show you a little more about uh, photo galleries, how to use them, what they do, and how to update them, change them, etc. So on the photos page of your website, it should look something kind of like this. So photo galleries, as I have built this on your website, function like this. They're going to have the title of each photo up top, um, caption down here, numbering here, and there's going to be some thumbnails so you can skip around in the gallery. And there should be arrows so you can skip around that way. There should be a full screen option here so you can view the pictures bigger and exit from that. So that's a little idea of how they function, how the photo galleries function on your website. So I'm going to click out of this. I'm going to show you how to first add new photos to this gallery. So back in WordPress, I am going to go to Gallery, All Galleries, and I'm going to select that one which happens to be titled Gallery 1. So here are the photos in that gallery. There's a bunch of options for playing with the functionality and appearance of the gallery. I'm not going to go into those too much here. I'm just going to tell you how to add photos and create a new gallery. So in this case, I want to add a couple of photos. So I'm going to select images. These are the existing images in the media library, and you can see the ones that are in that gallery have a check mark next to them. I'm going to upload some new ones. So I'm going to select some new files. These are sitting in my downloads folder right now. And they are uploading. And again, remember, a lot of stock photos take some time to upload to WordPress because they tend to be pretty large images. And I have also added some functionality that condenses the images, makes them smaller files, and makes them load faster. This is called smushing. So that makes a lot of uploads, a lot of image uploads take even longer than usual. So this one might take a while. I'm uploading two rather large images. Okay, and I'm back, and that took a good 5 to 10 minutes. So really, you're gonna want to have some patience and give this time. Like we just upgraded our internet speeds, and that still took a good 5 or 10 minutes. So anyway, what I have added is a couple of photos, one of a chick and one of some heavy farm equipment. And you can see those are already checked to add to the gallery. So I'm going to say use these images in the gallery, and you can see they are added. And I'm going to click update. And if we go to the photos page, those should now be added to the gallery, and they are. And you can see, you can navigate around the gallery and see the new photos. So if I wanted to create a brand new gallery, I'm going to go back to WordPress and go to Gallery, Add New, and say I wanted to add those exact same images to a new gallery. So I'm going to call this one Gallery 2. And I'm going to select those new images from the media library. So I'm going to make sure those two are checked. I'm going to say use these images, and I'm going to publish this new gallery. So when I publish the gallery, I'm going to want to either create a new page of the website or add it to a post. And You'll see in the WordPress guide that I've given you more about the difference between posts and pages. Pages are static pages like this photos page, or products is a static page, services is a page, home is a page. Posts are also known as blog posts or news posts. So I'm going to go ahead and put this new gallery into a news post. Posts are chronologically ordered, whereas pages are ordered in a tree structure. So I'm going to put this new gallery into a new post. I'm going to say posts, add new, and I'm going to call this new gallery. And in the body of the post, I'm going to click add gallery. And I'm going to select gallery 2, insert gallery into post. And you can see it adds, this is called a short code in WordPress. You don't need to worry too much about that unless you get into short codes, but just know that that's what that's telling you. I'm going to click publish. And back in the blog, we should see a new post. And if I had added a featured image, that would show up here on the post. So I might as well go ahead and do that. So I'm going to add a featured image. I'm going to put the one of the chicks as my featured image. And you can see that that's good for SEO. This is how it will show up in Google. But that's a different video. So I'm going to click update. And refresh the blog. And there's my featured image for that post. So if I go into that post, say read more, you can see the new gallery is showing up that way. And this is one thing to keep an eye out for. My featured image showed up at the top here. So maybe for gallery, I don't want the featured image in there. So I'm going to remove it. Click update. Back to the post. And the gallery images show up by themselves. So that's a little more about creating and editing galleries.